While I was at my water aerobics class today, I asked some of my friends if they could ask a neuroscientist about concussion in the movie, what would they want to know? Question 1. How many blows to the head does it take before you are damaged?
We don't know. Don't know how severe the blow has to be. Does it have to give you immediate symptoms? The evidence would suggest no. Something that causes no symptoms can, after a delay, cause very severe symptoms. We don't know the number. And it's very unlikely that that number is going to be the same for all people.
Question number 2 from my buddy Jeff Cranis. Do repeated blows to the head lower your IQ?
If you experience repeated head trauma and symptoms do develop, those symptoms are going to adversely affect your ability to act in the world. They're going to adversely affect your ability to make the decisions that you would have made without those. It's going to slow you down, and it's going to impair your judgment, or it's going to at least change your judgment.
I talked to my buddy Susie Poen, who has sons who play football, and she wants to know, they want to play football, what can I do to maximize or at least minimize the risk to them of CTE?
I don't know. Hope that they have coaches that are really attentive to trying not to use the head to tackle, trying to avoid head impacts. There's some tests that you can do that you basically can't fake. Eye movement type tests. And so I guess if I were a mom of somebody playing football, I would seek out some of these tests and get some baseline values, so I could run it and make sure the kid's not lying to me. It's not so much lying. They're just so into playing that they're going to underestimate. They're going to underplay how they feel.
I know that people should leave this interview feeling empowered, feeling that they have the ability to go and seek knowledge about CTE and concussion for themselves. One really highly recommended venue is The Brain is So Cool, your blog. Are there other ways that people can learn about CTE in the brain?
I actually also would recommend another film. There's a documentary called Head Games that is really, really valuable to watch, produced by Bruce Sheridan down at Columbia College. And what I like about Head Games is that it gives you the science, and then it also talks about the pluses of sport and the pluses of learning to be a team together and to work together for an end goal. And there are pluses. So each individual and each parent and each child has to weigh these pluses and minuses for themselves. And every person should make their own.
Peggy Mason of the University of Chicago tells me I can understand it. I believe it. I can understand it, doggone it. Thank you very much, Professor Mason. Look forward to seeing you more and more on television.